Welcome to Yogyakarta. We are here at the station and today we're gonna be heading to Surabaya with a train. Yeah, let's go and find where I can get on the train. I have like about 30 minutes before the train departs, so intercity train departures, it has to be this one, right? The train ticket cost me $17 and it should be economy class, I think, so yeah, it's gonna be interesting to see how good is the train. It's gonna take us 4 hours to go from Jogja to Surabaya city. So it's one of the most efficient ways how to go from Jogja to Surabaya is by train. Airplane possibly is gonna be quicker, but maybe more expensive. Okay, so departure is here. Hello.
Hey.
I have this one.
Sorry, Jerman print ticket. This print ticket. Print ticket.
Print ticket.
Yes.
Okay. Print the ticket first. I need to enter some information here. Got the ticket. Okay, that's what.
Yogyakarta to Surabaya.
Yeah.
The train platform number 3, okay?
3.
Yes.
Yeah. Terima kasih. Platform number 3. Sancaka to Surabaya Gubeng. Departed 5 p.m. Where's number 3? Okay, that's where we're gonna be getting on the train. Platform number 3. We have probably like 30 minutes still to wait, so yeah, we can look around a little bit. This one can pay cash.
Yes, only cash.
They have a massage chair over here, so let's try it out. 15 minutes. Oh, sorry, 10 minutes for 15,000. Okay.
What's the time of your train?
5 p.m.
Oh. Is the Sancaka train?
To Surabaya. From here, platform 3.
Platform 3 over here.
Just here, right? So, have time, right?
Yes, you still have the time.
Yeah.
Have a seat, please.
Okay. You can do 11 minutes. 1 extra.
Sorry. I don't have.
No extra. Okay. Cannot really compare it to a real massage, but but for that low price over here before train ride, I think it's worth. I think that's our train over there as well. Our train is here. That's good. So we can finish the massage and just board it. I was actually trying to get a massage today, but it was raining, so there was nobody there in the Malioboro street. It was either because of rain or it was too early.
Number 1.
That's
this
a
is
premium.
your seat, 1B.
So
It means premium 1.
premium ticket.
Premium ticket. Premium class.
So it's a premium
Over
class.
there. Yes.
So it's good.
Yes, it's good.
Yeah. So premium is better than.
No, better is executive. More better. I think the material of your chair is
Okay.
different.
Okay. Oh.
There.
So it's a premium economy.
Economy is more
Lower.
low.
Okay.
Yeah,
So it's not economy. It's a premium.
Premium is middle.
Okay. Okay. Nice to meet you. What's your name?
My name is Gali.
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 Okay. Nice to meet you, Gali.
Train number 1.
This number 1.
Yes.
Thank you. Terima kasih. Okay. Assume it's this one. Seat number 1. Okay. Is it all the way there? I assume it is. Maybe we're here. I think we're here. Yeah. 1A, 1B. Okay, leave my luggage somewhere, sir. Let's look around on the train a bit. There's already somebody. Hello, sir. What's your name?
Didit.
Hi.
Didit.
Didi. Kevin. Nice to meet you. We're gonna share a journey together, right?
Surabaya.
Surabaya, yes. You? Surabaya.
Surabaya.
Okay, nice. You live in Surabaya?
Yeah.
Home? Surabaya?
Home.
Okay, nice. What do they have over here? They have a toilet. Oh, squatting toilet. Interesting. Oh, they have the Vanita and the toilet Priya for men. For you. So Vanita for women. But for women, is it also squatting? Oh, no. I wouldn't want to use the squatting one so much. I would prefer to use the the one that you can sit on the you have like a normal toilet, European style. I mean, I can manage squatting style, but it's not my first option. What are you doing, bro? What are you doing? I might change the seat if a lot of the seats are empty, just to get a free, like empty seat. That would be the best. I kind of want to see what's going on over there. What's happening? Oh, that would be good. Hello. Let's see if over here is the same thing. Yeah, first the main toilet is squatting one. I see. Very interesting. Oh, restaurant. Okay, you can. So this is a restaurant.
Yeah, restaurant.
Okay, so I can order food.
Yeah.
Nice. So you're cooking on the spot, or you have pre-made meals?
No, we just microwave.
Heat it up. Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
heat it
What is the menu? Can I see? What do you have? Nasi ayam. I'm not so hungry right now yet, but maybe later. I'm just checking. 45,000. And they have tea as well. Oh, tea pucuk. Pucuk is nice, right? Not right now. Okay, terima kasih. It's not a bad spot just to come over here and chill all the way. I can like literally work here, do my oh, there's a prayer, mashola prayer room. There's some sort of crew room, more crew, and this seems to be the executive. Okay. I found my spot. I will stay here. Executive, eh? Not too bad. But yeah, I think the seats are a little bit wider over here, and you have the button, so you can adjust it. Oh, nice! Wow. Executive is pretty good actually. Like the seat was so comfortable compared to the, I haven't tried the premium seat yet, but I might actually come over here and just chill over here because I can do some editing maybe. I think that's what I will do. Just chill around here. Yep. This is what is that?
Oh, sir, may I help you?
Yeah, what is that? That's
This is Hawkman, and in we have
what? Yeah, can you show me this one? It looks like.
like this.
Oh, okay. I was thinking it looks like a pizza. I was like, I want to have pizza. Ah, nasi rendang. That's good. Is it yummy?
This one?
Is
We
it
have
enak?
enak, but so strong.
Yeah.
Because this is from Aceh, and then this condiment is very strong. Rempah-rempah kan masih
What do you mean
want it?
Aceh? What do you mean Aceh?
Aceh, the province in Indonesia.
Ah, okay. Okay. Maybe later. Thank you very much. Okay. But this, oh my god, I almost fell. But this spot seems to be way better to just chill over there rather than just. And be over there in those. Let's test out the seat. Yeah, the seat is basic, like this one moves. Yeah, I'll leave in a second. I don't know if I stole your seat, but and you can actually can you recline? Oh, you can actually recline it as well. But yeah, the premium one or executive was better than this one for sure. But not bad. Wrestling. Train is moving. Bye, Jogja. Such a rainy weather today. But yeah, I made up my mind. I will go to the restaurant area and get myself a table right away. I think that's the play. That's the play. There you go. Life is good. We got a table. If they want me to order something, I will order, but I don't think they will actually even ask me. I think it's fine, but I might actually order something as well. But later. Wow, so chill over here to sit. Wow, look at the view. So cool. Such a nice view over the city right now. See those houses and just going through. I feel like you don't need the premium ticket. Just come to the restaurant and just, you know, maybe not best for sleeping because it's like the seats are very like square. Not a speed train, but still we're going pretty fast. Almost in the station. Thank you guys. Thank you. Yeah, I better go to the toilet quickly. We didn't see much. I was over there, but okay. Have a good trip back to home. I guess it doesn't matter which way you go out. Both ways will work. And we officially arrived to Surabaya. That's cool. The station name is Gubeng, Surabaya Gubeng. Yeah, should be interesting. Always exciting to go to the new spot and yeah, not knowing what to expect here at all. I will catch a taxi to my hotel, but it's quite funny that the whole 4-hour journey I was staying in that dining area. It's a pretty nice looking station over here. They even have some nature, some plants. That's a nice added touch. Okay, thank you very much.
Okay, you're welcome.
Nice service, yeah. Darkness.
Lamora, Kota Lama.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, thank you, sir.
Parkir.
Okay, how much was the parking? Berapa harganya?
Iya. Parkirnya 6.000.
6.000.
32.000.
Okay. Well, that's for you, sir.
Okay.
Thank
You very much.
You have good service. You have good service.
Thank you.
He helped me with the bag and everything, you know. Oh, my phone. Almost left my phone here. That's not good. Always double check when you leave the taxi.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank
Okay.
you. Thank you. Have a good one.
Thank you.
Okay, I'll do the check-in.
May I assist you?
Check-in, yes. Is it good area for food around here?
For food, we have Nasi Cumi. It's a squid.
Okay.
In life or hotel. Just only 100 kilometers.
Nasi cumi bu.
100 meters.
Sorry?
100 meters?
Sorry, 100. Just only
Meters.
Yeah, meters. Sorry. Yeah, not
It's
kilometers.
kilometers also.
Sorry.
It's gonna be a long walk. Is it safe around here?
Yeah, it's just safe.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Can walk around outside?
For walk around, maybe not too. If you want to, Gojek. Yeah, Gojek or Grab in here.
Okay. What's interesting happening tonight? It's Saturday.
Saturday night, Tunjungan Street.
Huh?
You can go to Tunjungan Street.
Tujugan.
Jalan Tunjungan. Yeah.
Tujugan. Okay. And what's there? Street food?
A coffee shop and maybe what inside sometimes. You can walk around there because much of street food like
Okay. So it's 15 minutes away.
yeah.
Quite far, eh? And you have facility as well here?
Facility we have a massage.
No, but like inside you have like pool, gym.
Pool is just on progress.
Sorry?
On progress maintenance.
Oh,
Hmm.
okay.
Maybe you want smoking area? Ini kan?
What area?
Smoking area.
Smoking. No, thank you.
Oh, you smoking?
No, I don't smoke. You smoke?
Yeah.
Everybody's smoking in Indonesia.
This is your room.
Okay.
1206.
206. Okay, where's the...
Lift this one.
Okay. Any facility over here or no?
Wi-Fi. We have Wi-Fi. Just only click.
How I find the Wi-Fi?
You just click Lamora room without password. Just click.
Okay.
And it already connect.
Okay. But the facility, you have anything like...
Sorry.
So, gym? No?
Yeah, it's maintenance. We have maintenance and gym.
Ah,
Yeah.
okay, everywhere. Okay, all good.
sorry.
Okay, no, all good.
Thank you.
Okay. Okay, thank you. You show me?
No.
No?
Like-
Ah, okay. I thought you show me.
And you key? Sorry?
Yeah, my key. Somewhere in the pocket.
Yeah. Yes.
Okay, terima kasih. Bunch of bad news, you know. Everything is under maintenance. I guess that's why the price was lower as well, you know. The price was about 15-16 US dollars per night. Yeah. places, like the surroundings around here seem so quiet as well. And everything is under maintenance. That's a kind of a letdown, you know, because when you make the booking, you look those things and, you know, and you expect to get those things, and you like, you know, you make this calculation with the price and everything, but then you realize it's not. Oh, they have the water over here, which is good. Nobody. Oh, nice, that's good. Oh wow, that's very, very kind of different room. I can't say that I've ever been in this kind of hotel room before. It's a very unique style. I mean, yeah, it's cool in a way. Very cool, I would say. They have like this kind of sitting area over here. You can just chill over here, and it's very colorful. You know, the bright green, and you have like those things over here. Yeah, I'll put this one out as well. Even though I probably will stay here for one night, I would assume, because everything is under maintenance. But, okay, it's a nice shower. That's pretty good, pretty big, you know. Not bad. TV, probably not gonna watch that, but some reading lamps. Oh, I don't know how those work. Is this a button over here? No, it doesn't work. That's the. Yeah, it's just for decoration, guys. Just for decoration. Okay. Oh shit! There's a cockroach here. Yeah, a cockroach on the bed right away. That's kind of like it's a bad thing for sure. But you know, yeah, I mean it feels clean, but there's some stains, you know. But what can you expect, you know? If you pay less, you know, that's what you're gonna get, you know. I'm not expecting like super luxury and cleanliness. Oh, the bed is actually quite soft. I would actually prefer even a harder bed, but interesting style, like in a way of the room. Yeah, like over here it's round, and over here the corner is also round, and here is also a round corner. It's a very different kind of, makes it so different. I guess I'll figure out what I will do now. Okay, I was thinking I will go try to find some food around here. Hopefully we find something alright. That's my hope. But yeah, the area seemed a little bit, how to say, quiet. Yeah, I think maybe in this hour there might not be too many foods available, because it's already quite late as well. So it's almost 10 now, so 10 minutes to 10. Yeah, hopefully we find something. I mean, they had that squid thing they were talking about, but I'm probably not so interested about that. But yeah, I can maybe go check it out and see if it is good or not. I was surprised this hotel is so highly rated, or maybe it's just bad time of the day. They do seem to have some fried stuff over there. We might have to go for that. Yeah, this area is so how to say, empty, kind of. Not much going on over here. What is that? Some fried stuff. I should have tried to find something like a meal. Change of plans. We're gonna be going to this spot. Dine-in, yeah. Dine-in, yeah. But I'm not sure which one you recommend.
Squid.
Huh?
Go for it.
Yeah.
This is complete.
Yeah.
This is squid, beef,
Squid.
shrimp crispy.
Do you have something else, not squid?
Hah?
Do you have something else, not squid?
Do you like squid?
No, no, I don't
No.
want. Yeah.
Chicken.
Okay, chicken. I am.
Chicken.
I am. Okay.
Ayam.
Okay. So this one, this complex.
Chicken this is.
Ayam goreng.
Yes.
Okay, I just have ayam goreng.
Ayam goreng. Drink.
Sorry, my bills are wrinkly. For you, tips. I'm not even that hungry. I don't know, like, it just, I didn't eat anything the whole way. Barely drank anything. And I'm not even hungry right now, so. Yeah, but it's okay, I will have that meal and hopefully it's good. I think that's the place they actually recommended me in the hotel. Because they mentioned the squid, right? I swear the picture over there looked a little bit different than this. It's kind of weird. They just... Yeah, I'm not gonna think too much. I'm just gonna eat and it's so greasy as well. It's so oily. The rice is good though. I was expecting to get some couple of slices of cucumber as well, but nothing. Actually, the flavor here, the presentation was not the best, but the flavor. Oh, well, there you go. Where is that? Hello.
Any order?
Yeah, I have the same. I am goreng.
One more.
Yes.
Ayam goreng.
Yeah.
Okay.
You
so
have
don't-
cucumber? No?
No.
Don't have. Okay.
22. Ayam goreng.
Sorry, ayam chicken sold out.
Okay, then bebek.
Bebek body deh. Hah?
Sold out.
Out?
Bebek sold out.
Ah, okay. Or you have anything else than squid?
Beef. Beef.
Beef?
Beef. Egg.
Okay. Okay.
How? Egg. One. Then in. 22.
Okay. Okay.
No drink.
No drink.
Egg.
Yeah, yeah. It's okay. I drink water in the hotel. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Letih mo tak inom ka juga.
I'm not thirsty. I don't know what to say. Terima
Kaya
kasih.
pa, nagkakumbeng ko. Kasalag pa. Okay,
Okay,
thank you.
thank you.
Thank you, yeah.
Ah, what is that?
Okay, Moscow. Moscow.
For your children?
No.
No? Okay. No, if no, then no. Yeah, apart from everything, like the flavors here are really good. Like the food is yummy. So it is oily. I try to avoid that oil part, but yeah, the chicken was really full of flavor. Very just nicely cooked. You know, nice meal. Whatever flakes they added on top of the rice was also nice. Yeah, I can't wait to have another one. Chili is good. I'm not sure what it is, but yeah. The only thing I can recognize here is the egg. And some noodle and rice. Yeah. It's funny, I was not hungry before, but as soon as I started eating, I'm getting more hungry. Yeah. I don't know, sometimes for me, like, when I'm teasing my stomach with food, it gets more hungry. Like, it's weird. Because I could have actually not eat tonight at all, but but because I ate the previous meal, now I'm like, give me. The stomach is like, give me more. Okay, let's try this one. So far, I would say the other dish was better.
Delicious. Delicious.
This one, like, delicious. This one, I'm not sure.
Yeah, delicious.
She's a funny lady, eh? Funny lady. So far, not so delicious for me. Let's try this one. I have no idea what it is. It's not bad. Weird. I have no idea what it is. It's so weird. Okay, terima kasih.
Oke, sama-sama. Where do you come from?
From Europe.
Hah?
Eropa.
Eropa. Oh, udah lama di sini.
Huh?
Where do you stay? What do you stay? Stay.
Right now in Surabaya.
1 bulan, 2 bulan, 1 month, 2 month.
No.
In here.
3 days.
3 days or lari deh. Oh, 3 days. Oke. Bagaimana Surabaya? Beautiful.
Yeah.
Surabaya.
I don't know. I don't see much yet. So.
What
maybe.
YouTube?
Yeah.
What
I show you.
What channel?
I'm right.
Oh, I'm right there. I'm watching your YouTube.
You're funny.
Huh?
You're funny.
You're funny. Makan jawab kok
She's
ya.
funny.
Kevin Travel.
Yeah.
Kevin Travel.
Yes.
Good job.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Terima kasih.
Ya, terima kasih. Thank you so much. Nice to meet you.
Okay.
Dan nak boleh.
You're funny. She's
What
funny.
is your name?
Kevin.
Oh, Kevin. Ya, Kevin. Dadah, Kevin. You're funny. Jangan kelawar dengan kau, boss.
She's funny. You can see that right away. I was like, nice. We got it back safely. That's good. We have what a funny lady over there. Such a funny lady. Okay, let's go back to my room. 12. That first dish, I would say like 8 out of 10. Like, apart from looks, it was nice, very nice. But the second one, I don't know. Not for me. Nothing really exciting about it. I guess we're gonna be calling it a night, guys. Thank you for watching all the way to the end. It's a great support. You know, this video might be over, but the show must go on. Show must go on. Look at the view. But the show must go on, guys. Check the next video from here.